What's good, YouTube? What's going on, Pat's family? It's your boy, World Class Hustler, and I'm back with another Hate Week video. Sorry, I had to snack on some water before we get started with this cooking. This week, we got the good old Gruden Grinders. You know, what's funny about these Raiders fans? They still salty, even after 2 decades, about that tuck rule in the AFC Championship game. But to be honest, man, you can't blame us. Hey, ain't like y'all was gonna go in the Super Bowl and win this shit anyway. It's fucking John Gruden. And don't sit over here and tell me about that fucking 2000 and what was it, 2002, 2003 season when he won it with the Buccaneers. Nah. That wasn't his team. That was Tony Dungy's team. See, he was just a benefactor. He was pretty much at the right place at the right time. So I'm not even gonna give him that Super Bowl. But anyway, I meant to rephrase myself in my last video that it was an away game for us, but it's a home game. My apologies for that. Next week against the Chiefs is an away game. For some strange reason, I don't know why I thought we was going out there to Vegas, but I'm gonna correct myself. It's a home game. And do y'all truly think that these sorry Raider rats think they finna come up in the trap and take the cheese from the trap? Hell no. I mean, what, they only got 2 motherfuckers on offense that's relevant. Fucking Josh Jacobs and Darren Waller. They're tight end. Which I have to say, Darren Waller is a pretty stud, man. I don't know why the Ravens never played him when he spent his time with Baltimore. But that's neither here nor there. I know that shit that they pull against the Saints ain't finna happen to us, though. Had that boy Drew Brees looking like he was in a fucking wheelchair out there. Father Time done caught up with his ass just like he caught up with Tom ass. They y'all out there looking washed up as hell. But this week, it's gonna be different. See, tomorrow, you're going to get Super Cam. And say what you want, but that last game against the Seahawks, that motherfucker balled his ass off. Like I said, that fucker threw for almost 400 yards. And trust me, he's going to do it on this sorry-ass Raider-ass defense as well. That defense ain't worth the shit. Offense ain't really worth the shit neither, but hey, it is what it is, because that motherfucker Derek Carr garbage as well. So come tomorrow at 1 p.m., better brace yourself, Raider fans, because you coming to Star Fox. And it don't even matter, because last time we kicked y'all ass in fucking Mexico. Puto. And we kick your ass tomorrow too. Shout out to all my Pats fans, Pats family out there. Shout out to Master and Work, that boy aka Tyson. Shout out to Byron, B Trust, and shout out to my boy Parks. Tomorrow's gonna be our day, fellas. And shout out to Uptown, the Minister of Defense, and shout out to freaking the whole TTC and not the D League. Peace, y'all.